In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can send a camera roll picture as a snap on Snapchat. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it would just help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But obviously begin by opening up Snapchat, and the first screen that's going to take you on is going to be a screen that looks like this. This is your camera screen right here. There's going to be a small little icon to the left of the capture button. If the capture button's that little circle right there, this little left button is going to be the button that you're going to want to click on. Select this. This is going to show your memories, and then go ahead and navigate over to the camera roll section right here, and you're going to see, all of the pictures on your device. From here, tap whatever picture it is that you want to go ahead and send. For example, we'll do this one right here, just as an example. Go ahead and hit the little pencil icon right here, and you can edit it, do whatever you would really like. For example, in this instance, let's actually zoom in and make it look like an actual snap. Like, there we go. That kind of looks like a real snap. And I'll say, this is from camera roll. Haha. But from here, go ahead and hit send to, and you're going to see an option to, post it to your story, send it directly to someone as a snap. But that is the first method. But what you can do to make it genuinely look like a snap itself, and you're going to want to discard your change right here, is actually back out and go and take a normal snap picture. From here, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is open up the full edit selection right here, and there's going to be a little section on here that's called import media. Select that, then go ahead and hit these little pictures right here. From here, find that picture again, grab it, and then go ahead and zoom in as much as you possibly can, right? And obviously, if the camera is bigger, it'll go ahead and let you zoom in even more. But essentially, from here, what you got to do is just rearrange everything, preview it, hit send to, and send it to someone, and it's going to look like an actual snap. Now, I will say sometimes this only will work if you do make a video itself, so just keep that in mind. But if you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.